Morning everybody, and it's another vlog, and we have another blonde one in this week. So meet Big Daz. Morning. Blonde and tanned. There you go. Anyway, so what's happening today? We've actually got a special video coming out. Morning guys. So got a little special treat for you. I've actually been invited, not invited, but I've been given a new electric car to drive and see what I think. So me and Pablo with his GoPro are going to go and check it out and see what we think. So yeah, stay tuned and watch the video. It's caused a bit of a crowd here. Can all the lads jump in the back?
What do you feel like coming out of the SQ7? Whoa! Feel like coming out of the SQ7?
I'm not sure if it's coming out this weekend or the weekend after, but T&E's sorting that out. It's a very a one-off video. Obviously it's top secret at the minute. Haggis took charge of that video. Special car. A big YouTuber's come in, and I don't want to reveal too much, but keep an eye out for that video. So today we've got Brian's R35 GTR in for a full service. We've got Daz's GTR in for an oil and filter service. That's the Race Wars winners 3 times as well, by the way. Still going strong. He's also bought some new wheels from Japan, so we'll have a look at them on the video as well. I believe Daz correct is the 18s. The 18s, so he wants to go quicker. He's feeling the threat, I think.
Always.
Yeah.
Feel a big voice breathing down my neck already.
We've got Callum swapping a Honda engine in an FK2. What else we've got? We have Matt B doing some head work on some Gtr engine and also gearbox repairs on Lloyd's. And we have Rendog finishing off and assembling the Evo engine. So I'm going to take you through, show you what's going on, and yeah, I'll be over in the workshop any second. Right, I'm in the middle workshop. Quick update. I'm going to spin the camera around. Callum is going to blur the background because this is a secret project, so you don't know what's going on there. And there's some secret stuff down there for it. So anyway, that's the special video. Right, so we've got this Audi RS6, old schooled with a misfire. We're working on that, trying to diagnose it. Customer's waiting for some parts. We are at the next stage trying to figure out what the issues with this RS6. We've also got the ongoing saga with this Fiesta, and I think we're getting to the bottom of it, so I'll update on that later. So most of the lads, or all of them, are actually in next door. Matt is working on this GTR, and so is Kyle, but they've got a quick job in the main workshop first, so I'm going to go and head there now. So we've got Brian's R35 GTR in. First time he's come to GM, he's come from Scotland. Getting a full service, so it's getting engine oil and filter, spark plugs, front diff, rear diff, gearbox oil, full inspection, optimization, cabin filter, and Matty is basically on the back there going through it. It's quite a big job for the day, so I'm going to let him crack on, and I'm going to go and see Mr. Barnes. So Callum, what is it you're doing? And I've just mentioned on the vlog there about the Fiesta.
So we've been working on the Fiesta a lot, diagnosing some electrical issues. Hopefully that should be running soon, so we're on very well with that. This is a Civic engine for a Type R Honda Civic. The old one that came out is just over there on that trolley. This is another engine because that engine went boom in the car, so this one's the one that's going to be going in replacement of it.
So just when he said that engine went boom, so this is a new customer for everyone who's watching. It's an FK2. I'm not sure who's tuned it or built it. It actually still runs the engine, but it's got a knock. So, and it is for sale if anybody's interested in block and trying to make something of it. But obviously send an email on that. So yeah, so you presume you're waiting for a ramp, and then?
Yeah, I'm busy swapping some parts over right now, like manifolds, that kind of stuff, wire and harness, getting it all ready to prepped and ready to go in. And then as soon as there's a ramp free, we'll be beginning the install. Perfect.
Thank you very much, Callum. Lewis, your GTR is done. Both Matties have worked extremely hard, got the refresh done, putting it back together. We kind of ran out of time because we had obviously servicing workbook, so Matty is going to go back into this, finalise it and get it fired up later on in the week. But yeah, she's looking good. and they've done a good job, and you should be ready for race season, my friend. Absolutely stunning car. I'm going to head into the engine room where Matt and Rendog are at the minute, so I'm going to see what they're doing. Like I explained earlier, Matt's between the gearbox and the Gallardo head, so I'm going to see where he's up to. And Rendog, obviously we discussed in last week's video about the Evo engine, he's just obviously doing all the fitting work now, so I'm going to see how far he's on to that. Well, Matt, sorry to disturb. Could you tell her what is it you're up to at the minute?
So currently I'm stripping the Lamborghini Gallardo heads. These need to go off to the machine shop to be skimmed, pressure tested. Everything that Spec J does needs to be done on these before they come back to us. Then we've got to wait on the parts coming, and then in between I am jumping between the gearbox for Lloyd's, which is almost complete, and waiting on the Porsche to come back from wrapping.
Yeah, so that's a big power Porsche that we're going to start taking the engine out, building it, and see how much power we can get out of it. Yeah, I'm excited for that as well.
Alright, can't wait.
Yeah, cool. Right, let's see Rendog. I'm going to spin it around. That was a good spin, wasn't it? Look at that. It's looking absolutely brilliant. It's done a fantastic job on that. So, let's touch base with Rendog and see what he's up to now. Rendog, you alright, buddy?
Yeah, not bad. How are you?
Good, good. Have you recovered? I know we went to the
Yeah,
stag party last week.
yeah, mental weekend, like mental.
Right. So,
So
I presume you're doing some cleaning and some fitting work.
we
Is that
are,
right?
yeah. There's a lot of the parts came in with the engine were like sort of like, well, kind of like this type of thing, you know. So I'm just trying to clean things up best I can, repairing little shields like this where are cracked, stuff like that. So it's back on the other side, weld them up, paint them up, get them all nice, ready for fitting. Back on the
Nice.
engine. So
So yeah, so there you go. So busy just doing all the niggles on this engine, so it looks nice, because that does look nice. So guys, I'm now going to go to the office, catch up with the guys, and give you another little update there. So that is Big Daz's GM 1500R. It's got Alpha X turbo kit that we built. So we did this full job about 3 or 4 years ago. Race Wars winner, still performing. We've just been discussing he's expecting some bad luck soon, but nah, I think Daz is such a nice guy. That's why he gets such a lot of good luck. So I'm going to mention something, because he's changing his wheels for race events, and I believe Kyle has brought them out to show us. So let's get Kyle over here. Kyle, sorry to disturb you. I know you're doing a quick oil and filter change. Do you want to show us his wheel
Yes, so
that he's buying? Oh, he's bought.
that's his wheel there.
So that's an 18-inch wheel,
To go over the front.
and you're doing like a test fit today, yeah?
Yeah, just test it, make sure they're all perfect.
Good, good. And then oil and filter change.
Yeah,
And then he's good to go again, yeah?
yeah, ready to go again.
And then what is your next job? You're on Lloyd's
I'm
GTR.
back on Lloyd's Gtr, get the whole front end finished off, and it'll be ready to get started.
Perfect. So, that is it for the workshop updates, guys. Busy day, once again, at GM. Guys, just coming back to the office, like I said, so that's all the workshop updates done. Simon wants a quick word, so I'm going to give the camera to Simon, and he's going to give you a little update.
Right, hello guys. I'm just busy working hard on the eBay at the moment. Hopefully Callum's able to link it down below this time. I know he didn't do that last week. If you want to go and check out the eBay, we've got loads of rare JDM bits, R35 stuff, a stupid amount of it. But yeah, check out the eBay, and if you do see anything you like, feel free to drop a message and I'll see what I can do on price as well. Cheers guys, bye.